morning. My name is Dennis with Impatient Creations, and I got the joy of presenting to you the Porsche 1964 Porsche 356. It's an iconic Porsche, and it is very much in every place you look on this, whether it's under it in the boot or in the engine compartment or even in the interior. It is pristine. It's just one of those opportunities that we really have to really bring it up to speed. Great, iconic Porsche, and I just want to let you know that we had the pleasure of reworking this thing. Beautiful car. So please like us, share what we're doing here, and there'll be more on this, more videos on this particular car.